Anyone can make a LLM API call, or maybe you have built a chatbot, or you have already done with RAG project. But the thing is, can your company trust you with your agent running on their production? That's the main problem. See, most of the companies are trying to build AI projects. They want agents. I mean, plural, okay? They're not working for one agent. They want multiple agents work together. But there are multiple issues with it: cost, security, and of course, the maintenance of those agents. And that's where we are coming up with this course, which will teach you all these things, where you can build agents and you can deploy them in production. And this course name is Agentic AI Engineering with Python. The syllabus is not important, the outcome is, where you are going to build the agents. In fact, we are going to start from the basics so that you'll understand the entire architecture of AI engineering, and then we'll move towards building agents. And the most important part is we'll see how do we build a reliable agents, how will you work with multi-agents, and how you are going to deploy that in production. But still, if you want to talk about syllabus, we're going to cover LangChain, LangGraph, Crew AI, and a lot of different stuff in between. And this is a live course starting on 16th of August. This will be a weekend batch. The timing is 8 p.m. IST to 11 p.m. IST. I am excited for this course. I hope you are. See you in the course, everyone.